In 2024, cute ponytail hairstyles with bangs continue to be a popular choice among fashion-forward individuals looking for a versatile and stylish way to wear their hair. With the evolution of hair trends and styling techniques, there are endless possibilities for updating this classic look to suit the current year's aesthetic. In this era, ponytails with bangs are not only about functionality, but also about making a fashion statement and expressing individuality through hair. In 2024, we see a resurgence of retro-inspired ponytail hairstyles with bangs, drawing inspiration from iconic looks of the past decades. Retro ponytails often feature voluminous bangs, styled with a slight wave or curl, reminiscent of glamorous Hollywood starlets from the 60s and 70s. These vintage-inspired ponytail hairstyles with bangs add a touch of nostalgia to modern-day fashion, offering a playful and feminine vibe that's perfect for both casual outings and special occasions. Additionally, in 2024, we observe a trend towards incorporating accessories into ponytail hairstyles with bangs to elevate the overall look. From embellished hairpins and clips to stylish headbands and scarves, accessorizing ponytails adds a unique flair and personal touch to the hairstyle. Whether it's adding a pop of color with a vibrant scarf tied around the ponytail or embellishing bangs with sparkling hairpins, accessorizing offers endless possibilities for customizing ponytail hairstyles with bangs to reflect one's personality and style.